Hi and welcome back to my channel. I would like to apologize for the lack of a video the past week, but I've been sick and I didn't have time to A, film it and B, edit it. I just spent the whole week more or less on the couch trying to breathe because my nose was very stuck. So today, still a bit affected by the fumes of my cold, I would like to make a soup that is soothing for me. And that reminds me of my second home. I'm going to make Shio ramen. This is the simplest, easiest and quickest version of ramen. There are a million different types and this is, I think, my husband's favorite one. He's the one being sick at the moment. And it's an upgrade for those of you who live on a budget and who live on instant ramen noodles. College students will relate. Let's get to it. We start with the broth. We will need half of a liter of tap water, 1 garlic crushed or finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of instant dashi. You can also use any type of fish stock or make your own dashi if you can't find this. And salt. With this, we start by boiling the water and then we add the other ingredients. The salt depends a lot on your personal preference, if you would like it more or less salty. And we add, once it's boiling, we add also the noodles. You'll have to check the package on the time that you have to boil them. Now it's time to serve our ramen noodles. For doing so, we remove them from our broth and place them in a serving bowl. On top, we pour the broth. And this is your upgraded version if you are a poor college student of the instant ramen noodles. For a change, you'll have freshly made Shio ramen. If you want to be a bit more fancier, you can add some chopped spring onions. And if you want to be traditional, you can add a few leaves of nori, an egg, a piece of marinated meat, and that's it. And this is your Shio ramen, the simple and easy version. So in Japan, it's common to eat more than 1 bowl of ramen noodles, but the problem is that the noodles usually suck up the broth quite quickly and they turn to be soggy and they're not good anymore. So usually, if you want more, you make more broth and then just boil more noodles on the side and add them to your broth if you need more. And here we have our finished version. This is, as you see, a very easy and simple recipe. I'll have to eat it quite fast because it's already sucking up all my broth and it will be disgusting. But, a tiny side note, I belong to the few people who are called cat tongue in Japanese, which is a condition that you have if you can't eat hot food, hot temperature-wise. Whenever I eat ramen, people usually take pity on me because it takes me years to eat it, because I just need to cool it down. So what I would do is lift it up with my chopsticks and wait. So people usually bring me a side plate to be able to place my noodles there and hopefully eat them a bit quicker. And yeah, I think it's funny that Japanese has a special word or term for it. It's called a cat tongue. Well, anyways, this was it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a nice thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like these, or if you'd like to see more Japanese cuisine, because I don't really think about making recipes since I usually or quite often cook Japanese at home, being married to a Japanese. So to me it's nothing fancy or special, and no, it's not sushi because there's a lot of other things too. And if you would like to see more and learn more about what you eat in a Japanese household, subscribe to my channel and let me know. And for now, I will go back to my couch and try to get my nose unstuck. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye! I forgot to thank you all for the 100 subscribers. I know it's not much, but for me it's a lot, because I don't even know if I am friends with, well, I know that I'm not friends with 100 people, but I don't even know if I know 100 people. And I really appreciate you watching my channel and liking my videos and liking my socially awkward self that struggles talking to a camera and that is still far too stiff, but it means a lot to me, and I would like to thank you